How to sign in into Lloyds Bank online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Lloyds Bank login, and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.lloydsbank.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now to log in, click on the option of log on given at the top right corner. Go ahead and select your account type, personal or business. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your user ID. Then type in the password. If you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten any of your details, click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on continue, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Lloyds Bank online banking account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.